Okay, so we're solving this new problem, and it's going to be eclectic. Okay, so this is an eclectic way, eclectic method. So we got three eclectics minus two eclectics equals five. Two eclectics plus one eclectic equals four. So to solve for this the eclectic way, I want to make sure something lines up. I need either my three or my two to be on point. How are they going to be on point? Is I need a common factor. So a common factor between three and two, if you struggle with it, just simply multiply. Multiply. Just find it out, right? So everybody should know that's 6. So if I want to eliminate x, they got to become 6. But eclectic shows me there's another way I can solve for this where I don't got to work too hard. I don't got to say eclectic. I can say eclectic. Or I can say from eclectic go to eclectic. With my 2y, it's already set up as -2. I got a y here by itself. It just needs a buddy. So let's go eclectic way. I'm going to multiply this by 2. And I'm going to distribute this to every term. 2 times 2x, 2 times y, 2 times 4. I'm going to rewrite this. That's 4x plus 2y equals 8. 3x minus 2y equals 5. I bring this all together now. 3 eclectics, 4 eclectics, they're not aligned yet. -2y eclectics plus 2y eclectics, that's eclectic way. -2y plus 2y, cancel them out. 3x, 4x, 7x, 5 and 8. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and divide 7x by 13. It doesn't go in perfectly. So I keep it as a fraction. 13 over 7. I told you this is eclectic. It was eclectic at first, but now it's eclectic. So I solve for it, now eclectic. I'm taking my x as 13 over 7, and I'm going to say, okay, which one would I better pursue to get out of this? I can plug it into my 3x, or I can plug it into my 2x, so I can be able to solve for y. Let's see, I think we're going to have space. Yeah, we'll have space. There's space over here. So let's go 3, 13, 7, 3 times 13, that gives you 39. Now I'm not able to reduce this. I'm gonna keep it as my fraction, but I wanna get rid of my fraction. The only way to get rid of my fraction is to focus on your denominator. It's like your red flag. I can't do anything unless I get rid of my red flag. My red flag is currently on the bottom. So the secret hack for anything that's a red flag is you have to address it. You have to address it. I multiply everything now by 7. 7 distributed here, 7 distributed here, 7 distributed here. 7 times my 39, I could do all of that math. But remember, I'm multiplying it by my red flags, so my red flags are going to cancel out. So no more 7. It's just going to be 39. 7 now times -2. And 7 times 5. Now we're on to the races. I minus 39 minus 14y equals 35. I can't do anything necessarily here, but this is where it's going to make sense to know we're dealing with fractions. Minus 39 minus 39 negative 14y is equal to -4. Divide everything by -14. Negative divided by negative now equals a positive. I got 4 over 14. I can reduce this. Two over 7 is equal to y. Now we got our fractions. People be like, "Yo, Mr. Jackson, that ain't no whole number. But you're looking at something that's giving you a green light. Both of my fractions have the same denominator. Sometimes it deals with that. It's going to happen that way. But we need to always make sure if I plug it in, it checks itself out. So let's use both equations for the sake of it. I'm going to erase so we can have space. X is equal to 13 over 7. Let's use the second one. Two over 7 equals 4. 2 times 13 gives me 26. They both share the same denominator, so I can add them together. 26 plus 2 is 28. Seven goes inside of 28. 4 total times. Yes, indeed, this checks out. 4 equals 4. Let's make sure it works for our top equation. Go ahead, look at that masterpiece. Look at that masterpiece. This is eclectic. Come on, man, hurry up. Write this down. Write this down. Write it down. I love what I do. I'm the best, man. I did that. Let's use our top equation. 3. I think I'm going to start doing that. Start bringing in guests. We can do math problems while we're talking about life. I think there's a great one with parents and students who could have a dirty room and clean it up. What's the best way you clean it? Just give me some ideas. Prepare for it soon. Welcome to the Black Policy Institute. I'm sorry, Brian, but I've been getting my ideas right. 3 times 13, you get 39. 39 over 7. 4 over 7. 39 minus 4, since they both have a common denominator of 7, sorry. 39 minus 4 gives you 35. 35 divided by 7. How many touchdowns is that, fellas? Checks out again. 5 equals 5. So, here we go. Bada boom, bada bang. Eclectic. 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 Eclectic algebra.